respiration by cutaneous and bronchial as well as circulatory system closed. They are sexual reproducing, not asexual. Earthworm and leeches are monoecious. Nereis is dioecious. Development is indirect. The unique feature is true segmentation body. Longitudinal and circular muscles help in locomotion. Locomotory organs are setae, parapodia, excretion by nephridia, paired ganglia, lateral nerves and double ventral nerve cord. These are the unique feature. यहाँ पे बेटा देखो आपका nervous system, excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system start हो गया है. Now the next, Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum that includes over 2/3 of all the named species. जितने भी बेटा अब तक के आपने देखे होंगे, आर्थ्रोपोडा का मतलब होता है जॉइंटेड legs, jointed foot. They include the first and simplest segmented animals. First and simplest segmented animals, they are commonly called jointed legs animals. It is the largest group of animals that include about, you can say, 100 10 is to power 6 insect species. You know, out of this, 1 lakh 2,248 spiders and scorpion species, 1 lakh 3,248 arachnoid species, and 47,000 crustacean species, representing about 80% of the total known animal species. बेटे 80% जो है जितने एनिमल्स हैं उसमें मतलब 80% आर्थ्रोपोड्स हैं. तो some important feature of this arthropoda, definitely they are having organ system level of organization. एक बार स्टार्ट हो गई organ system तो आगे complexity बढ़ी रही है. They are having organ system level of organization. Symmetry, definitely it is bilateral. Germinal triploblastic, you know that. 3 germ layers, ecto, meso and endo. They are yes, they are having triploblastic, ecto, meso, endoderms. Coelom, coelomate, true coelomate. Coelom कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी हमने पढ़ा था. Annelids, they are having the true coelom. उसके बाद बेटा habitat इसकी क्या, they are cosmopolitan, they are found all over the world. ठीक है. इंसेक्ट्स आपको पता ही है, जस्ट लाइक ए बैक्टीरिया. वो तो बैक्टीरिया तो सभी जगह हैं, बट दे आर ऑल्सो इंसेक्ट्स यू कैन गेट एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. दे मे बी एक्वाटिक, टेरेस्ट्रियल, फ्री लिविंग, पैरासिटिक. ओके. एंड दे आर हैविंग ए कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. माउथ एंड एनस इज देयर, 2 openings. Respiratory system by gills, book gills, trachea, book lungs. They are having this different method of this respiration. It occurs through generally body surface like gills, body surface by gills, example in prawn, book lungs in the scorpion and the spider, trachea in the cockroach, book gills also present in the king crab. They have open type of circulatory system, that blood is pumped into the heart, into the body cavities, like hemocoel is there. तो यहाँ पे जो circulatory system है, that is a open type. The blood flows into a hemocoel instead of blood vessels. Mostly dioecious, means unisexual, usually internal fertilization, mostly oviparous, like egg laying. Development is direct or indirect, and excretion by Malpighian tubules and green glands opening directly to the exterior. Digestive system complete, I told you. They are having well developed foregut, midgut and hindgut. Locomotion, jointed appendage help in the locomotion. cilia are found to be absent in arthropod, and exoskeleton, they are formed of thick, tough and non-living cuticle, chitinous cuticle. And exoskeleton protect animal from mechanical and chemical injuries, prevent desiccation, and also help to in attachment. Uh, the unique features of these arthropods are they are having jointed appendage so that we have discussed arthropod. And in this arthropod, you know that open system, and they are the sexes are different, and these are the examples. So you can see there are some economically important insects like honeybee, that is bombyx, that is, some are vectors like Anopheles, Culex, okay, Aedes, housefly, some are gregarious pests. So they are different categories. Some are considered as a living fossil like Lemurus, that is king crab. So I'll tell you what is the advancement over annelids. जो arthropods की advancement है. First of all, they are having distinct head, jointed appendages for different function. They are having exoskeleton. They are having spatial respiratory organ. They are having. They also secrete pheromones, and they have well-developed sense organs. These features are not present in the annelids. These are the some advancement of arthropods over annelida. Okay, the phylum arthropod is divided into 5 classes, like they are Crustacea, Myriapoda, Insecta, pest, vectors like, but you know that economical important insects are like honeybee, silkworm like bombyx, lac insect that Laccifer, and one I told you that living fossil, that is Limulus, that is king crab. Okay, so at a glance, if you see the arthropod, it is organ system level organization, bilateral, triploblastic, coelomate, cosmopolitan, complete digestive system, respiratory system by gill, book gill, trachea, book lungs. The circulatory system is open type. Reproduction mostly dioecious, usually internal fertilization, mostly oviparous. Development is direct or indirect. The unique features are jointed appendages. Body has head, thorax, and abdomen. Chitinous cuticle, Malpighian tubules are there. Sense organ, antenna, compound, and simple eyes, or they are having balancing organ statocyst. So uh, this is the first largest phylum, that is arthropod, and the second largest phylum is mollusk. सबसे बड़ा जो फाइलम है वो हमारा है आर्थ्रोपोडा. ठीक है, लार्जेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स. इट इज हैविंग लाइक 10⁶ इंसेक्ट स्पीसीज. और जो सेकंड लार्जेस्ट है वो हमारा है फाइलम मोलस्का, दैट इज सॉफ्ट बॉडीड एनिमल्स. ठीक है, तो अप टू नाउ इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू प्लीज आस्क. यस.